Hi guys, welcome to Tech Pros with yet another video. In this video, I'll show you how to get a custom URL for your YouTube channel. And you're a new YouTuber and you're just growing. You wanted to give your users a way to get to your channel directly without searching on YouTube, or you may want to add your link on your other social media accounts with your channel name at the end of the URL instead of that random numbers that you get by default. So this is how you do that. However, there are some conditions. A few years ago, it was like you needed 1,000 subscribers and some other conditions as well, like channel lot and etc. But now the conditions have changed it. Now you only need to have around 100 subscribers. You need a channel lot and a channel icon. Then your channel needs to be at least 30 days old. Otherwise, you won't be able to get this custom URL. Okay, that's how it works. So in this video, I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so what you needed to do is just go to your YouTube dashboard, then click settings, then click channel, then switch to advanced settings and go all the way down and click manage YouTube account. Then click that, you'll be taken to a new page, and this is where you control your channel's main settings, like account settings and playback and performance and privacy, etc. And here, if you're actually eligible, you will see this option. Go to this advanced, and if you are eligible, you will see this option here. You see that custom URL. So you're eligible for a custom URL, claim it here. So this is where you do that. Just click that. Then you can see that some of the URLs I have used for my channel. Before I actually used 007 how to, because my channel was based, channel was about how to tips and tricks, but I have changed it. Now my channel name is actually Tech Pros. So what I'm gonna do is I can't have this name because I used to have another channel with the same name. I actually deleted it. It had the same URL with the youtube.com/c/Tech Pros. So I can actually use this somehow. Even though I deleted it, I can still claim this name somehow. Maybe the name is in their database as claimed by someone else. So maybe that's the reason I can actually use this. So that's how you actually work. So click this link and you'll be taken here. And if you're here, you can see that. So you're eligible for custom URL. Just click here and you'll be taken to this window, this pop-up window. And here you can select any of these names that you want, or you can select the one that is suggested by Google. Okay, like this one, and a suffix of your choosing, or Tech Pros and a suffix of your choosing. That's how it works. So here I'm gonna use Tech Pros, and I'm gonna add YT at the end. Okay, so it will be like Tech Pros YT, so you can actually get directly to my YouTube channel instead of searching on YouTube search. So here, all what you needed to do is just youtube.com/c/TechProsYT or youtube.com/TechProsYT should take you to channel. So that's how it actually works. Then you need to agree to their custom URL terms of use. So check this box, then click change URL. So once again, confirm custom URL. So are you sure you want to change your public URL to Tech Pros YT? So once you confirm this customized URL, you can change it again or transfer the URL to someone else. So that's how it actually works. So I'm gonna change it. Okay, confirm choice. So that's it. Now the URL of my channel has been changed. So if I type youtube.com/TechPros, I'll be taken to my channel. That's how it actually works. Now, for example, let's go to youtube.com/TechProsYT. Okay, see that? So it'll actually directly take you to your channel. This is a great way to share your channel URL anywhere on your social media and stuff. So guys, that's how you do that. I hope this helps. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and thanks for watching.